Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Today's special. So I'm down with the flu. So I thought of preparing some pepper rasam, molag rasam, which is like very comforting and soothing for when you have fever or cold, sore throat, running nose, everything. So because of the spice or the heat that the pepper has, obviously the phlegm that is there in your chest or that would come out, and always have it with hot rice and a drizzle of ghee. Even otherwise, if like not only during cold or fever, you can even otherwise have. So the ingredients required are, I've taken about 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 small tomato, 6 cloves of garlic, few curry leaves, and a pinch of hing or asafoetida. So I'm going to make this into a paste with little water. Make this as a paste with little water. Even if you don't add water, it's okay. I've taken a lemon sized tamarind, and I'm going to add a little of lukewarm water to this, and I'm going to maybe half a cup of lukewarm water to this and soak it for about 5 minutes, and then add it to the. So this is how the paste of the pepper, jeera, tomato, curry leaves, and I heated up a pan. I'm going to add some oil to this. About a teaspoon of oil. Don't add too much of oil. Just swirl it. Now once the oil is nice and hot, add about a quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds along with 2 red chillies. Once the mustard seeds splutter. So now I'm going to add in the paste. Don't let it saute for a long time. Just the raw smell of the masala should leave. That is it. At this stage I'm going to add in about quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Again, give it a mix. Now let's add in the tamarind pulp. This is about a lemon size of tamarind mixed in, soaked in half a cup of water. Now mix it. Now we're going to add in water. Actually this is very simple but very soothing, very comforting food. So add in some salt. So totally we've added about 3 cups of water for this. So just give a taste. Taste test. It shouldn't be too much. It shouldn't have the tangy taste. Too much of the tangy taste. So if it's like too tangy, add a little more of water. So I'm adding in another half a cup of water, and the salt is also not enough. So I'm going to add in a little more of salt. So at this stage you can add in some coriander leaves and some curry leaves. Actually curry leaves you add it when you splutter the mustard seeds. So don't let it boil. You should get the froth on top. That would be the right time to switch this off. Adding in a few curry leaves along with the stems. The stem adds extra flavor to the rasam. So my mom actually, she uses the stems for the rasams. Froth which you find on top would be the right time to switch off the rasam. Don't let it boil. So if you boil the rasam for a long time, it would lose the flavor and the taste. So our pepper jeera rasam is ready, which is best for fever, cold, sore throat, running nose, indigestion, gastritis problem, for everything. So do try this at home. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.